Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will be doing question number 8 and question number 9. Okay. So, let us look at the questions. Question number 8 of our NCERT chapter number 2, partnership basic concepts is Ram, Raj and George are partners sharing profits in the ratio 5:3:2. According to the partnership agreement, George is to get a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as his share of profit every year. Okay, this is minimum amount guaranteed by a partner. The net profit for the year 2006 amounted to rupees 40,000. Prepared just P&L appropriation account. Okay. So, see, no one has told you who is going to give his this minimum guarantee. So, what we will assume, who is getting? George is getting. So, Ram and Raj both are going to give the minimum guarantee, and this minimum guarantee, if at all needed, first of all we will see he is earning more than 10,000 or not. If he is earning more than 10,000, there is no question of giving the minimum guarantee amount. But if he is earning less than the guarantee amount, then whatever is the deficit will be borne by Ram and Raj, and this deficit will be borne in this ratio 5:3, the ratio between them. Okay. Let us do it. 5:3:2. Okay, and 40,000. Now, how much is the profit? The profit is rupees 40,000. Now, who's going to get 5:3:2? There is no salary, there is nothing. Let us see. First of all, whenever the question of guarantee, you always have to check the person, the partners who has been given the guarantee. Okay. Just see in the rough also, see, to profit transferred to capital account. Now, Ram, Raj, George. Now, when I am doing this, for the first time, I will be solving George's. Okay. So, 40,000 multiplied by 5:3:2. So, 2 upon 10. So, this comes to 8,000. Okay. He is in shortfall, and shortfall of how much? Shortfall of 2,000. Okay. And who will give this 2,000 to him? Ram and Raj will give 2,000 rupees shortfall. So, now let us check of Ram. $20,000 and Raj 3. $12,000. Now, the shortfall of rupees 2,000 deficit. This 10,000, and this deficit is to be borne by Ram and Raj in their ratio 5:3. Therefore, how much he'll give? 2005 upon 8. If we see, that comes 2 rupees 1250 and 3 2000 into 3 by 8. Do remember, this will be 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, not 3 by 10, 5 by 10. Why? Because the ratio amongst Ram and Raj only is being taken and not Ram, Raj and George. So, this will be 750. Okay. So, this 2000 he is getting 1250 from Ram and 750 from Raj. So, from Ram 1250 will be reduced minus George 1250 and minus George's share 750. So, this gives me 18,750, this gives me 11,250 and this he is getting his entire 10,000. This becomes 40. This is also 40. So, let us look at it. 40,000, whenever deficit is given, you have to first solve the deficit partners only, that the deficit was of 2000, this 2000 was to be borne by Ram and Raj in which ratio? In their own ratio 5:3. So, 1250 will be given by Ram and 750 will be given by Raj. So, that is the reason from Ram's share of 20,000 1250 was reduced and from his share Raj's share of 12,750 was reduced and both 1250 plus 750 is 2000 was given to him. So, he gets his 10,000. Okay. Now, let us look at the next question, question number 9. Aman, Babita and Suresh are partners in a firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:2:1. Suresh is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 10,000. Now, who is getting? Suresh, the last one, 1 upon 5 one is getting 10,000 as share of profit every year. Any deficiency on that account shall be met by Babita. Only Babita, the second partner, is meeting the deficiency. Okay? That means, if at all he is getting less money, Aman will not have to part away with any money, only Babita will give. Okay. The profit for the first 2 years ending 31st March 2005 and 2006 were 40,000 and 60,000. Prepare the P&L appropriation account for both the years, for the 2 years. Okay. Let us do it. For the year ended, what were the years? Were 2000, 2005 and 2006. Let us see. For 2005, how much P&L was there? 40,000. 40,000. No other adjustment. To profit transfer to capital account, Aman, Babita and what was the last one's names? Suresh. Aman, Babita and Suresh. 2:1. Aman will not do anything right now. Babita and Suresh. I told you first time what we'll do Suresh's. Okay. So 40,000 multiplied by 1/5, that comes to 8,000. Now this deficiency is how much? Of 2,000, and who will give this 2,000? Babita will give. So Babita plus guarantee amount 2,000. So he gets his 10,000. Let's see, Babita 40,000 multiplied by 2/5, that is 16,000 minus Suresh's share 2,000. So she ends up with 14,000, and Aman, he is the happy one, 40,000, 2/5, 16,000. So 16, 14 and 10. Like this. This is the first year which we have done. Now quickly let's make the second year. Next year the profit becomes 60,000. Let's see whether Babita is to give any money this year or not. Aman, the happy one, Babita and Suresh. First of all, 60,000 multiplied by 1/5, that comes to 12,000. So no money, Babita does not have to give any money to him. So this is how question number 9 will be done. We will do question number 10 in our next video. Thank you.